What is up, everybody? I hope you're having a good day, because today is going to be a fantastic day. I am HTech2, and today I'm going to be solving problem 1 on LeetCode. Yep, I'm studying computer science at Sol Plaatje University. It's in South Africa, and I just happen to be in love with algorithm programming in general. So yeah, I'm gonna be attempting to solve this problem. FYI, I have solved this problem before in 6 months and 4 weeks ago. I was still in Univen, so I solved it in Java. I was learning Java at the time, but now because I'm studying computer science, they require that we learn C++, because now I'm using C++. So I'm gonna be attempting to do the very same thing but in C++. The goal is to not show my programming skills, just to show how to problem solve and how to approach problems like this. Okay, let's go. It goes like this: given an array of integers nums and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. You may assume that an input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. Okay, so doesn't matter, it's just finding two indices, two numbers that add to the target, and then we return their indices. Sounds simple, right? If it's simple, we're gonna apply this. Okay, so we're gonna be solving this problem. We're just gonna check here. Example 1, input which numbers add to 9. This is 2 and 7, which will be 0 and 1, and the indices. Okay, let's get to coding. As I've said, I've solved this problem before, and last I recall I used the hash map. So let's go ahead and create a map in C++ to solve two integers. Let's just call it num, something simple like num. The second thing we're gonna need is the size of our array that we're gonna be given. Let's just call it n. That's nums dot size. Shit, I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna remove that message, but it has to go. So, okay, so now we have that. What's the next thing we're gonna do? Okay, let's create a for loop. Let's create a for loop. Let's create a for loop that will run array size, and we have that. Boom, boom. Okay, so now we have our for loop. The next thing we're going to need. Okay, so in this problem, we're given an array of numbers, of integer numbers, and a target. So we want two numbers in the array that will sum up to the target. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create something like a complement. Let's just call it a comp, that will equal to target minus nums I. Okay, this complement will be an integer, such that this integer plus this will equal to the target, right? We just move this to the other side in mathematics. In algebra, we can just move this, and then complement plus this will be equal to the target. And now we want to check if the complement exists in our array. In C++, I think we use, okay, I have Geek for Geeks here open just to check. I think we use something like count. Yep, I think we use count. Let's just go nums dot count. Is it this? And then we say comp. If that complement is found, then we can go ahead and return. Want to return. Okay, num comp, and I remember we can print this in any order, so it doesn't matter which order we're going to use. We're gonna return that, else we're going to check if it's correct. from our Java code. Yeah, but I was doing it right. That I was killing it. So no need to check. Then we're going to go to our num and then we insert. I have gigs for gigs opened because I'm not familiar with this standard input with this standard library method. So it's inside. Then we open that. Then we have that. I wanna add the complement, right? Yeah, I wanna add nums I and I. That's news. Wanna add nums I and I. The goal is just to show you how to problem solve. I've solved this problem in Java. Obviously, I was checking some methods too there. I think this is gonna work, but it's not gonna run, but because it has to return an integer, so we can just come here and return an empty one. Return an empty integer. Wait. We're gonna wait. It's gonna come in, return an empty integer like that, and yeah, I think we have something that is working now. Let's try. Oh, that's comp. See, type error mentioned. Boom, there we go. We solved problem 1. So this was just a demonstration. Now I'm going to be doing a kind of a series where I'm going to be solving these LeetCode problems. I think my record, the number of problems I've solved last I was using Java is 19. So we're going to try to beat that using C++. This was just an introduction. I'm just introducing you to myself. I am HTech2. That's just not my real name, of course, and I am studying computer science and mathematics at Solpark University. I am years old, and yeah, I just love programming and computers. This was just an introduction. I've done this before. I know what is going on here, and I'm going to take you through my journey. I'm going to be solving a bunch of these, and I'm going to be learning a lot. I have to go through this standard library method. So yeah, I'm getting a call right now. Have a good one, guys.